Hi there, you're a business owner in 2026 and you don't have a site. Let me solve that problem for you. Right, so we're going to be using the agents right now. So we're using ChatGPT and then we're going to use Netlify and we're going to use Code Sandbox for our editor. So let's go to chatgpt.com. So just go to chatgpt.com. Just enter chatgpt.com. Right. If you have an account, fine. If you don't, it's fine. So what do we want to do? We want to build a site. So I'll use a perfume site. So I'll say, create a stunning luxury. I'm using those keywords because luxury websites for my perfume business. Right, and then create 3 pages. Index.html is always the first thing because that's your entry point. Index.html, products.html, and contact.html. That's how you get through to you. So what do I also want in the page? I want an hero section, slider with 3 slides. Because I'm an engineer, so I know some of these things. I'm saying 3 slides on my landing page. Landing page is your index.html. On my landing page with featured products below and customer testimonials just before the footer. The footer is the bottom section of your site, right? Because I'm an engineer, I sort of know how I want my design to look like. So I'll say which is going to be good for even you if you don't know anything about some of these things I'm saying. So just say use Tailwind CSS. I'm using Tailwind CSS because I like it and I'm comfortable with it. You can use Bootstrap, you can use Chakra UI, you can use whatever UI framework you think or library you think you like. I'm using Tailwind CSS and other things do I need? I think I've spelled out everything. Well, I always do one thing, I just copy my prompt. So let's have that running. So after that is running, we need to go to our other page, which is Code Sandbox. Because you're using a phone, I'm using a phone just to make this easy for anyone. So even if you're watching from a phone, you can just minimize your video and then just try and follow along. So try for free on codesandbox.io. And then let's get, because we're using a plain site, it's called like vanilla. So we use HTML and CSS. So pick HTML and CSS. Next thing, open template. So it opens the editor for us. So what that does for us is just gives us a place where we can put our codes once it's created. So yeah, this thing. So let's just go to App Store and get the code editor. So just get the code editor. I don't want the one that will be giving us trouble, just something simple. So code editor, I'm using an iPhone. So this is it. So it sets it up. This one, and then just because Code Sandbox is giving edit. So go to code editor, wherever that's installed on your device. Right, so create the files. So tap on the bottom. Let's create a folder first. So let's call this folder perfume sites. Right, perfume sites. Create that folder, and then inside the folder, then let's start creating the file. So new file index.html. You can use any editor of your choice. If you have your computer, even better. Create next. Let's create another file. New file products.html. Don't forget ChatGPT is running. HTML create, and then next create new file, which is last one contacts.html. So these are 3 files we need basically. So let's get to the editor. So let's go back to our ChatGPT, right, and see what that's done for us. So we come back to the site. Yeah, so it's done that for us. Right. So it's got the 3 pages. All you just need to do is copy this code. This is the first one. This is the index.html. Copy that, go back to your code editor, paste it in. Right. Might be difficult to preview right now, but that's fine because in the end, just right. So that's fine. I'm just trying to show that saves. Okay. Let me see whether that's saved. Right, okay, that's saved. Next, let's go to the products.html. We just want to get this live. So that's, from today onwards, you can start putting your business out there. Let's go to products, paste the code in. Well, if you know about it, you can read it. If not, it's fine. So that should save. I think this is auto saving. So let's confirm that that's also saved. Yeah. And then the next or the last one is